Hey everybody, welcome to another week of my weekly chart reviews. I do charts for free every Wednesday on my Twitter feed at Don'tFeedBear. Go ahead and give me a follow there. If you like what you see on this video, please give me a like and subscribe. I do these videos for educational purposes. These should not be taken as alerts or anything like that. Again, if you like what I'm doing, give me a shout out or a like, a subscribe, something. I appreciate all you guys and just here to help. So. All right, so let's go ahead and start. One of the charts I did was Apple. On here, I said the daily shows we're coming to resistance. Boy, that was supposed to be a support level. That looks like it will break tomorrow. And then I also mentioned how the weekly is showing a breakout retest of the support level that matches with the daily. It looks like decent confirmation, and I agree with that. And so I kind of felt strongly that this would happen. Felt kind of silly when I first looked in the morning, but then I saw that it just kept dropping, and sure enough, we did break there. If we take a look at the weekly, easily retest right back inside of the top of the wedge. So, not the hardest call out I've ever done. So it's pretty simple to see how that went. Okay. So next up, let's do Delta. I think it's somewhere around here. Yep, here it is. Okay. So Delta here, what I noticed was that we get these two, we touch the line twice. 1, 2. We only had one here. So I said, it's repeating itself. And every time it touches the line, it kind of bounces off. And so it broke here, true, but it came back up, and I'm wondering if it were bouncing off again at this 3.382 level. And so if we take a look at Delta, not the weekly, I want the daily. If we take a look at the daily, as you can see here, let's go session. Cleaner. All right, as you can see, we got that second touch right there. And so the one thing I want to look at is, will we bounce now? So airlines are not really connected to tech, and today's slide, a lot of tech names, took a tumble in those last couple hours. So I'm wondering here, is this the area where we're going to bounce? We got that second touch. Will it repeat itself? Will we get another bounce? And so tomorrow and the next week will be really interesting for the airlines if we get that nice little pop and we just start heading up. And airlines have been beat up pretty bad. COVID's been really tough for them. So be interesting to see how that does. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look at the last AAPS. Where are you? So right here, as you can see here, I expected this. The support was not held on the daily. Weekly supports this going a bit lower for completion of wave 2. Consolidation to build a base, then wave 3. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so if we take a look at the daily, So if we take a look at the daily, as you can see, it did break down that support, and I called that. It had already done that yesterday, and I thought it would go even worse, and today, obviously showed that. So if we take a look at the weekly, though, what I said I thought would happen is that we're going to get closer and closer to this wave 2, and it's going to go slower and slower, and then once we hit right around this wave 2, so we're kind of in that area now where the VWAP is, and the 0.618 retracement here for wave 2 of Elliott wave theory. What's going to happen now is we're going to start to see a lot of consolidation around these levels before we take off for wave 3. So if it is in fact a Elliott wave theory, then this is exactly how it will happen. So this definitely is one to keep an eye on, and if it keeps on building that base, that's really good, because then it'll pop off, and you will see an area where it built a base and then actually went the opposite direction. Okay, so let's look at SPY real quick, because I want to talk about Nvidia and how I found that play. Okay, so if we're going to take it here, here's what I'm talking about. We're building a base, building a base, building a base. It's all consolidation around here. Had dip, but came back up, and then it just fell apart, as you can see. Okay, so this kind of went into this play that I'm about to show you. So I went ahead and showed this guy. So in the morning, I said I have a play for the day. Stock Nvidia, type is a put, price that I'm looking for to break the support is 250 since it's a put. If it was a call, I would be looking for a resistance level to break. I put the expiration of this Friday for a nice little lotto, and then until I learned when it broke below. I said if I were this is the play that I'm most likely going to play. This is all in my Discord, and you can check it out here. So next, I then show, send a little message to them about, some days not great to trade as 11, take your time, and then about 11:48, it broke. It broke the level I was looking for, and I entered at $240, okay? So what did I see exactly? So I did NVIDIA as a chart, and I had said, it was going, I don't want the 30, I want the 5 minute. So as we saw that SPY was consolidating, and what I kept noticing with Nvidia is I called out that level because there's definitely a resistance level there. And as you can see throughout the day, it kept on hitting that level. And for me, that was a sign. On the first one, I said, okay, if it breaks here, I would have taken it. I'm glad I didn't. I always wait to see if it completely passes it. So once it bounced, I said, okay, it's not ready yet. I was like, okay, it's getting closer. I even told a lot of my a lot of the people in my Discord, hey, it's getting closer. And nope, not it. And then it just kept going, slowly heading down. And then finally, when it broke here, this big one right here, I bought in, and sure enough, look what happened. And then, so what happens is once a support level breaks, the next support level isn't, there's nothing in between. It does stuff like this. This is a very common when support level or resistance level breaks. You get, nice rally or you get a very big slide. So that's what happened. And so sure enough, we turned a $240 put into a $780 put, and that's a 225% gain. So that is exactly how I found that Nvidia play for Thursday. It worked out great. We stayed patient. We waited for the support level, and it worked out great. So again, I want to thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate all of you. I do a lot of this stuff for just to help out as much as I can for the normal everyday retail trader. So again, give me a follow, hit a like, come join the Discord. I would love to work with you. If you have any questions, I'm always available. So hope to see you guys. See you guys tomorrow morning. I open bell. All right, take it easy.